I'm so tired, but I want to film this video. So hello everyone, it's Libby, and today's video is going to be a unboxing. So this is a company that I have been looking at for a while because it kept popping up on Facebook and on Instagram. And it is called Adika. I think that's how you say it. Adika? Yes. So basically they had these really cool like half-colored pants and I was like totally into them and I wanted to buy them and I kept like putting it off and then they were sold out. So now I saw there was more things on sale and I was like, girl, don't wait, get it. They had a sale. So here we are today with the unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into it. So here it is. Let's open it. Okay, this is the first thing we have. We have a sweatshirt. By the way, I don't know if I didn't even do an intro. We're gonna do a unboxing try on first impressions. So let's get started. This is already so soft. It's a sweatshirt. We love a sweatshirt. I've been really into like these graphic racery ones, the ones that kind of look cute but very casual at the same time. I wanted to get a couple this winter from Forever 21, but every time I went to feel them, they were not comfortable. And so here's this one. If anything, I could crop it. It's so soft and it's a one size fits all. So let's just jump into it. 1 minute. I feel like I'm cool. Hello. I really like how this looks and it's so soft. They had a lot of their winter sweatshirts on sale, obviously, because I think like the summer's coming. But look how cute this is. I think I might want to just cut off this band right here. I don't know if I'm actually gonna do it, but I really like how this looks and I can see myself like going out meeting friends in this or lounging around the house. My favorite part are these little checkered pieces. Okay, this is what it looks like. Very simple, nothing much to say. I wish this was maybe a little bit longer, but that's because I like super long things. Next thing. So I might have not been able to get the half-colored jeans, but I definitely did it in sweatpants. This haul is more of that TikTok look, e-girl. Is that what they call it? E-girl look. I don't know. I'm just going with it. This is what we got. Oh, did I know that? It says baby girl on here. Also, it kind of looks see-through a little bit. Is it see-through? I don't know. Do I want something that says baby girl on it? Like, I don't know how I feel about that because I get uncomfortable when I think of girls getting called baby. Like, I don't like that. Call me babe. Hey, babe. Okay, so it says baby girl. So this is what, actually, no, my shirt had baby on it. It said baby, maybe. I don't know. What a thing. Let's go ahead and put these pants on. I just thought they looked really cool. I feel like I just got home from work and I was like, it's time to put on my sweats. But this is what they look like. I gotta get way back. Let me get my step stool. Hold on. Two things happened. One, my card ran out of memory, so perfect timing. Two, I literally don't know where my step stool went, which never happened, so I'm just gonna have to walk way to the back, so I apologize. But this is what they look like. Honestly, with the material, I thought they'd be thicker. Like, you know, like when you put on sweatpants, you're like, it's thick. Yeah, it don't feel like that. It feels pretty thin. I don't know if the white is as, it's not translucent, but it's just not a very thick material, and I feel like this part that's down here is not as tight as it could be, and it's also a little bit shorter than I would like it to be. So I'm really not crazy about the pants. I think aesthetically they're cute, and I think they can be really cute like on camera, and they might be something that I kind of like play around with and end up really liking. But in general, I'm not crazy about them as of now. Next item. So I kind of love and hate this item. I've seen this on Facebook all season long. I just like for some reason was so drawn to it, but like I didn't need it, but like I wanted it and it was on sale, and so finally I was like, I'm getting it. And apparently this should be long enough to wear with boots. I don't know if that's true. Let me fix the lighting as well. Hopefully it's like the soft and not like the itchy soft. Yeah, this is originally $72. I got it for like 21. Cute or is it not cute? I don't know how I feel. Honestly, I thought it'd be bigger. Don't know, and I don't know if I like this material. I don't know how to feel about this, and the lighting is just so crazy. It's basically black and then blue, and it has like these little flames on them, and it's like, I just don't know. Do I like it? Like, I'm not as impressed as I thought it'd be for first impressions, and I thought it'd be longer. How did a girl wear this with boots? I don't know. Let's put it on. So I'm a little torn because does it look like it does in the pictures? Yes, it does. Is it long enough to wear with boots? No, I don't know where I got the idea from. This is how I would style it, I think, if I was to wear it in a total outfit. Do I think it's cute? Yes. Do I think I need this sweater? No. But have I been drawn to it all winter long? Yes. Do I keep it? I don't know at all. So here's the look. Hello. Tell me what you guys think about it because I literally have no idea. It's a little itchy around the neck, but it's not as bad as I thought it'd be. It's definitely thick. The summer's coming around. Am I gonna wear this next year? Like, don't know how I feel about it, but this is what it looks like. I really forgot the things I got. You hear this? These very plasticky pants are what I got. For some reason, I was so drawn to them, and I don't know. They feel pretty like warm and fleece-like maybe on the inside, but I was so drawn to these, and they look like garbage bags now I look at it. I think I can make a look out of it. Again, Pinterest, you know, you like look at looks and you're like, I can do that. The lighting. You put up some looks on Pinterest and you're like, I can make that look good. And so I thought I could make these look good. What was I thinking? Let's just put them on. Oh gosh. Hello? I think these are photo shoot only pants because they make a noise when I walk. Listen. I mean, they look cool, but I feel like they fit really weird. Like they're kind of loose around my waist, and I feel like if I keep tugging at them, I'm literally going to break them. They feel like just plastic. But then on my thighs, they're thicker, and I don't have thick thighs. And then like around my bum area, it looks so flat. I don't think it's that flattering, but I literally just sent the picture to my friend, so let's see what they say. Let me get on this chair because I feel really bad for not having my step stool, but I really want you guys to see these. So, okay, I'm just so scared I'm going to break them. Am I gonna break them? Even if I do a squat, but they're like comfortable but super warm. I don't know how to feel about this, and they're definitely like loose in the back even. I need a belt or something, but I feel like these could be really cool. Am I gonna end up returning everything except the sweatshirt because like they're so cute but so outside of my comfort zone, you know? I don't know what I was thinking, but if you like these pants, let me know. So this is more of a going out top because I started like hanging out with my friends and like going to the bars and stuff, and nothing really like looks great in my closet, so I thought it was time to get a couple more tops. You can see it has like a little cutout. So let me put this on and we will see what it looks like together. I had such high hopes on this haul, and I know this doesn't look bad on camera, but it's so tight, and I would never go out wearing this. It's just so tight, and I feel like if I wore this top, I'd wear it with like high-waisted pants. So I got these pants still on, but don't worry about that. I think it's just like, I just think I need to figure out what the heck I'm doing with my life because next item, like I don't really know what to say. It's just super tight. It's not that flattering. I don't know what I'm doing, but I kind of feel like a spy, so spy. These are another item I've seen all over my Facebook. Man, this company did a really great job of appealing to me, but it's not really hitting the deliverability. It kind of sucks because the first thing I got, I had a lot of high expectations. I was really happy, but now we're not ending this on the best note. Let's see if we can change it. I don't love this material, but biker shorts, hello, have been in for a little bit, and I really like the print of them. I think they're this really cool cheetah. So this and a really long shirt could be a look with tennis shoes and you just go to the park or something. So hopefully this looks good. Hopefully this saves it. So let's put these on, and I'm gonna actually wear it probably how I would style it. So I have this really baggy gray shirt. So let's put these on together, and I got them in a size medium. I think it's because they didn't have a size small or something left. So, and I think they're like really on sale. Okay, now let's try them on. I don't think I'm cut out for this baddie lifestyle because I think I look like Dora the Explorer. Oh my gosh. Why am I so embarrassing? This is the look. Hello. How are we? Can I go in public? Okay, maybe I would go in public in this. Why? Okay, so these are high-waisted, so I do think that they could be cute with like a little crop top or something. I just feel like I need to stop trying to be cool because you're not cool, Karen. Is that a thing? I don't know. Basically, the only complaint I have with these is the seams around them. They're just really itchy. They're not very soft. The material is just not super soft, and that's kind of what I look for in the things that I buy. And if I'm gonna buy all these things, I might as well get things I'm really into, and I feel like I'm gonna really end up returning a lot of this haul, which kind of sucks because I fully had the intention of keeping all this stuff and being really cool and like posing in it for my Insta, but I don't know. I might keep these, but again, I don't know how I feel. I'm gonna take a, and my legs are ashy. That's cool. I'm gonna take a picture and send these to my friends too and see what they have to say. But I'm just like struggling. I'm struggling with this whole haul. I'm not super hyped about it, and that's kind of sad. But I'll be getting a lot of my money back, and you know, clothes cost money, so I'm a little happy about that. But this is the look. This is what it is. Let me know about these because I don't know how I feel about any of this. I just don't know. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Yeah, this is the look. Okay, I'm struggling. I'm just gonna see you guys next week. We'll try again, maybe do another haul. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Hit this subscribe button, hit the bell icon notification button. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and I hope everyone has a great day. Okay, thanks for hanging in there. Bye.